ॐ वक्रतुण्डमहाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। साक्षात् कृतं दयानन्दं परमार्थस्वरूपिणं तत्त्वज्ञानप्रशास्तारं प्रणतोऽस्मि परं पदं। वागर्थाविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्थप्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ। येनाक्षरसमाम्नायम् अधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। Lesson Saptama Pataha. This also we will do for the lines, the sentences, same the format. This format, what I said, the same format. Seventh lesson.
धेनुः व्याघ्रः क्षीरं ज्ञानम् आहारः वत्सः धनम् उद्यानम् अध्ययनं विद्या पाठालयः वयं यूयम्। धेनवः वत्सेभ्यः क्षीरं वितरन्ति। Here vittaranti is the kriya padam.
What is a dhatu?
Tru dhatu with the V upasarga.
What is the meaning of the tru dhatu?
Tru is tarati, to swim is there, and here it is
to swim, to cross over. Here with the V upasarga, the meaning is give.
Give, yeah.
Yachati.
Yachati.
So, K vitaranti.
Kaha, here Dhenu. So,
sorry, Kaha vitaranti.
Kaha vitaranti, Dhenavaha vitaranti.
So, Dhenu is the karta.
Dhenu
is the karta. Kim vitaranti?
Kshiram, that is karma. Kshiram vitaranti.
Kebhyaha vitaranti.
Kebhyaha vitaranti, vatsebhyaha vitaranti. That is sampradana karaka.
Sampradana karaka. Then do the same sentence. Remember the sentence. Dhenavaha vatsebhyaha kshiram vitaranti.
Bhagavachanam latlakara kattari.
Already Bhagavachanam. Can do other vachanam.
Ekavachanam. So Dhenuhu vatsebhyaha kshiram vitarati. In let dvivachanam will be Dhenu vatsebhyaha kshiram vitarataha. Then Ekavachanam Shatru form, let Shatru form will be धेनुः वत्सेभ्यः क्षीरं धेनुः सो वितरन्ती अस्ति स्त्रियः. Then द्विवचनं should I do?
Not required. Let Kshatriya ekavachanam is over. Let Karmani ekavachanam.
Okay. Let Karmani ekavachanam will be Denva.
Start with Kriyapadam always. Let Karmani.
Okay. Vitarati. So Kriyapadam will be Vitiriyate will be the Kriyapadam. So Karmani simple form will be Denva Vatsebhyah
Kshiram
Vitiriyate is the Karmani, simple Karmani and Ekavachanam. Then Karmani Kshatri Ekavachanam will be Vitaranti Denva Kshiram.
Not Vitaranti Denva. Kshiram. This is Vitaranti Denva. Yes. Sorry. Yeah. Please do. Karmani Kshatri. Start with the Kriyapadam always. Bhuyate. Kim bhuyate, Kshiram bhuyate.
Kshiram bhuyate.
Then
Vitarantya will be
Denva Kshiram bhuyate. Vitarantya Denva Kshiram bhuyate. Vatsebhyah. Vitarantya. So like that would be more clear.
Okay.
Yes. Next.
In simple lang lakara ekvachanam, that is Denuhu Vatsebhyah Kshiram Vyatarat.
Very good. Yes, Vyatarat.
Then Dhenu Vatsebhyah Kshiram Vyataratam.
Yes.
And Vyataran. Then Bhagavachanam Vyataran. So Denavaha Vatsebhyah Kshiram Vyataran. Then Tavattu form will be Vitirnavati. So Denuhu Vatsebhyah Kshiram Vitirnavati.
Yes. Tavattu.
Yeah. Then Tap Pratyaya will be Vitirnam. So Denva Vatsebhyah Kshiram Vitirnam.
Yes. Next sentence.
Sharanji, one question.
Yes.
Should it not be Vitirna Vantyaha because it's Den Vahan?
Denahu. Yes.
No, I did Ekavachanam.
Denahu is she said. Okay. If it is Bhagavachanam,
Bhagavachanam,
Right.
then
it will be
Vitirna Vatyaha.
Vitirna Vatyaha.
So even in Karmani, if you have to take Bahuvachanam, it's Dhenu Bihi. Dhenu Bihi Vatsebhyah Kshiram.
Yes. Denva, yes. Dhenu Bihi can take.
But
yes.
the sentence is all in Bahuvachanam.
Yeah.
Dhena
Okay.
Vaha.
Yes. Can take Dhenu Bihi. Dhenu Bihi Vatsebhyah Kshiram. Yes.
Vitirya.
Yes. Bhagavachanam. Next person. Finish. Next sentence is
Vyagraha Aharaya Brahmyati.
Brahmdat. Which Gana is that?
It's not, it's fourth Gana is Bra there. In fourth Gana we see
Fourth Gana is there, it is in
Brahm.
first.
We see Brahm in fourth Gana. So
Sixth Gana also it is there. And, sixth Gana, first Gana. So Brahmati, Brahmata, Brahmati. That form also is there. Brahmyati also is there. Both mean the same. One more form is there. I told one more form.
Atati.
No, that another the same form. Okay, I'll tell you later. Okay. So Brahmati, Brahmyati. Both are same. Brahmyati, fourth Gana.
So Kaha Brahmyati, Vyagraha Brahmyati, and Kimartam Brahmyati.
Very good. This is Kimartam. Ahara, yes.
So Kimartam is Aharaya. So Aharaya is
yes. So Aharaya, what Karak Okay. What is aharaya? Chaturthi vibhakti, right?
Chaturthi sampradana.
Yes. Ahara is sampradana. Therefore, it takes chaturthi vibhakti aharaya.
Aharaya. Or can
So
we
when
say
you say,
kasmai? No, we can't say kasmai.
yeah,
Kimartam.
Kimartam, yes. Kimartam would be proper. Kasmai also it's okay. Kasmai brahmyati is same meaning. Kimartam brahmyati. Because there is a purpose in it, moving around. So kimartam. Kasmai also correct. Yes. These two.
Then dvivachanam will be vyagraihi aharaya brahmyataha.
Why vyagraihi?
So vyagrau.
Yes, vyagrau.
Vyagrau aharaya brahmyataha. And bahuvacham will be vyagraha aharaya brahmyanti.
Yes.
Then fourth is lat shatra. So it is vyagraha or brahmyan vyagraha asti.
Yes, good. Vyagran
Brahmyan.
Brahmyan.
Yes, Shanji? Hello? Hello?
I think Sharanji's mic is muted.
We can't hear him.
Correct.
Yeah, because his mic, it says it's muted.
Sorry.
Now it's much more clearer, Sharanji.
Yes, sir, sorry.
Now it's loud and clear. Earlier it was sounding far away.
Okay. Just a minute. No.
No, Shanji.
Okay. Yeah. Hello. Ganesh ji.
Yes, Shanji.
hear me?
Sounds muffled. Sharanji.
Yeah, hello.
Yes, Sharanji.
Can you hear me now, Ganesh?
Yes, Sharanji.
Sorry, the mic was on mute. Okay. Can you hear me now?
Yes, Sharanji. Clear.
Give me a minute. There's some problem in the audio. I'll just correct it. Hello, Ganesh. Can you hear me now?
Yes, Sharanji.
Anybody?
Yes, Sharanji.
Yes, ji, it is clear.
Sorry. Okay. Can you hear me now, Ganesh?
Yes, Sharanji. Yes, Sharanji.
Yes, Ganesh. Please.
Yes, Sharanji. So,
Okay. Problem is mix-up from problem. Okay, sorry. Yeah, you start from again. This Vyagraha aharaya brahmyati. Reading that.
right. Vyagraha aharaha brahmyati and Vyagrau aharaya brahmyataha and
Yes.
Vyagraha aharaya brahmyanti. And then now Shatra, so brahmyati becomes brahmyan,
Yes.
ekavachanam, pullinga. So Vyagraha aharaya brahmyan asti.
Yes.
Then we do karmani, so Vyagra becomes Vyagrena aharaya. So it's bhave prayoga, so it becomes, it's brahmyate.
Brahmyate. Okay.
Aharaya brahmyate. Then we, in karmani, now we take shatra, and therefore it becomes aharaya brahmyata vyagrena bhuyate.
Good.
And now lung forms ekavachanam. So vyagraha aharaya abhramyat.
Yes. Brahmyate.
Abhramyat. And vyagrau aharaya abhramyatam.
Good.
And vyagraha aharaya abhramyan.
Yes.
And then now we come to this lung
Tavatu form.
Tavatu form. So In the fourth gana, that I could see Brahm. Brahm becomes Bhrantavan. So I couldn't figure out this Brahmyata. I could take it as Brahmyatavan. But it may not be Brahmyatavan. I think it's maybe it's Bhrantavan or Brahmyatavan. Because
Okay.
Brahm is Bhrantavan.
Brahm is fourth gana, right?
Fourth gana is Bhrantavan. You are given that in the list.
Check the Tavatu, the file what I sent.
I didn't see Brahmya. I saw Brahm.
Brahm Dhatu not there in that?
Brahm Dhatu is there in the Tavatu list.
So Brahm Dhatu
Is there, and Brahm Dhatu becomes Bhrantavan.
Okay. Oh, just a minute. Dhatu, if you take it as the fourth gana, Brahmu Anavastane or first gana, whatever may be. Brahmu Chalane in first gana, Brahmu Anavastane in fourth gana. The form would be given. Let me check just a minute. Anavastane, fourth gana. Then take it as a Brahm plus Dhatu. Bhrantaha or Bhrantaha. That is one form. Or Brahmitaha also you can take. Both are okay.
Brahmyata.
Not Brahmyata. Ya will not come. Right? Brahm is a Dhatu.
Okay.
So Brahmitaha, Brahmitavan or Bhrantavan. The form could be Brahmitaha or
Bhrantavan. Brahm is Bhrantavan.
Yes. This is for the fourth gana, Anavasthane. If you take the meaning to be Anavasthane, Bhrantaha, Brahmitaha. So Bhrantavan, Brahmitavan. Then the same dhatu in the first gana, the form would be the same thing. The same thing you can take there also.
Bhrantavan.
Yes.
Bhrantavan. So Vyagraha Aharaya Bhrantavan.
Yeah. So this Brahm Dhatu in the first gana, it has got two forms. That's what I was saying. Brahmati, Brahmyati. Both are there. In Latlakara I am saying. Brahmati, Brahmataha, Brahmanti. Brahmyati, Brahmyataha, Brahmyanti. And the fourth gana, it is Brahmyati. So Brahmyati, Brahmyati, Brahmati, all mean the same. First gana, Brahmu, Chalane, has got two forms. Brahmyati, Brahmati, Brahmyataha, Brahmataha, Brahmyanti, Brahmanti. The fourth gana, Brahmyati, Brahmyataha, Brahmyanti. In the Tavatu form, the form is Bhrantaha or Bhrantavan. Okay. So you can take it.
So we'll take it as Bhrantavan.
Yeah, you can take Bhrantaha. Bhrantaha, Bhrantavan. Yes. You can do now.
And Ta Pratyaya, here it is Bhave Prayoga. So Vyagrena. So Napumsakalinga ekavachanam Bhrantam. So Vyagrena Aharaya Bhrantam.
Yes. Next one. Next person, Sumati.
Yes. Sharanji, one question regarding that. Bhramitavan would be correct also, along with Bhrantavan as a first gana.
Yes, yes. Yeah, correct.
Okay.
I think my voice is audible now.
Very clear.
Okay, very good. Yeah. Sumati.
Yeah. Balikaha Adhyayanaya Pathalayam Gachanti. Gachanti is the Kriya Padam. So Kaha Gachanti, Balikaha Gachanti, Kim Gachanti, Pathalayam Gachanti, Kimartham Gachanti, Adhyayanaya Pathalayam Gachanti.
Very good. So, by the sentence,
So,
Balikaha Pathalayam
Gachanti. So the Ekavachanam, it will be Balika Adhyanaya Pathalayam Gachanti. Then Dvivachanam, it will be Balike Adhyanaya Pathalayam Gachatah. And Bahuvachanam is Balikaha Adhyanaya Pathalayam Gachanti. Then Shatru will be for all the three or just for the sentence, Sharji? Ekavachanam. Okay. So it will be Balika Adhyanaya Pathalayam Gachanti Hasti.
Yes.
Then simple Karmani will be Balika Bihi Adhyanaya Pathalayah Gamyate. And then the lung for all the three or
Just let Karmani say again.
yeah. Then lung will be
Let Karmani. Please come again. Let Karmani Ekavachanam. What you see? Right? Same thing, same sentence. Do it again.
It will be Balika Bihi.
Okay.
Adhyanaya Pathalayah Gamyate.
Yeah, okay.
Then lung will be Balaka Shatru. Okay. It will be Gachanti Balika. I'm sorry. Gachanti Bihi Balika Bihi.
Yeah, Padam is Bhuyate.
Okay.
Bhuyate.
Adhyanaya Bhuyate. So it will be Balika Bihi Adhyanaya Pathalayah Gachanti Bihi Bhuyate.
Gachat? I didn't hear properly.
Isn't it Gachat Bihi Bhuyate?
Gachanti Bihi. It is Trilinga.
Yeah, first I said Srilinga, then I made it to Gachanti Bihi Bhuyate.
Gachanti Bihi Balika Bihi Bhuyate.
Yeah.
Adhyanaya Pathalayam. Okay. Now lung.
Lung will be Balikaha Adhyanaya Pathalayam Gatavantah. Here I can keep it as, because you said Gatha, it can have a Katru. So I can just retain it, or I can make it to Karmani also.
Lung Kartari first you can do. You see the screen, right? The same way.
Yeah. Lung it will be Balaka Adhyanaya Balikaha Adhyanaya Pathalayam Gatavantah. Gatavatyah.
No. And this lung, not Tavata comes later, okay?
Okay. Agachan. It's a Bahuvachanam, so I took it as Agachan.
Balikaha is Agachan. Balika is Agachat.
Yeah. Balike is Agachata.
Agachatam. Adhyanaya Agachatam. Okay. You can do the same form, but then the next one is Tavatu.
Tavatu will be balikaha adhyanaya pathalayam gatyavantah.
Gatavatyah, not Gatyavan.
Gatavatyah.
Gatavati is a Pratipadik.
Yeah. And tha pratyaya will be gataha. It will be balikaha adhyanaya pathalayam gataha.
How can it be Gataha? Say again. Balika Bihi you are saying.
Not balika bihi. I just took it as bahuvachana balika.
Then how can it be Gataha? Because it's ta pratyaya is denotes karma. Karma is patalaya. It should be patalaya.
Oh, gataha. Okay. It should be gataha there. If it is tritiya, if it is prathama, it will be balikaha adhyanaya patalayam gataha.
Yeah, that is okay. That is kartari. That's good. Gataha, that is first one. Gataha or gatavatyah. Gataha, gatavatyah, balikaha, gataha. That comes under kartari.
Yes.
Yes.
If it is balika bihi adhyanaya patalayah, then it will be gataha. Sorry.
Gataha. So tavata when you use it denotes karma. Then tavata when you use it denotes karta. Since it is gatyartha dhatu gandhatu, so ta also can be used to denote karta. So kataha or gatavatyah. That is balika. Balikaha, gataha, gatavatyah. Karmani, if you say, then karma you have to find patalaya.
Yeah.
Kaya, sabihi, balika.
Sharanji, it's not very clear.
It will become all right when you...
Yeah. Patalaya gata. Okay.
Sharanji, one question. Since it's Vidyalaya, it's Vidyalayam, it's Napumsakalinga or Vidya?
Pullinga.
Pullinga. So it's Gataha.
Yes. The next person, Krishnaji, next sentence.
Yes, Balakaha Pushpaya Udyanam Vrajanti. Dhatu is Vraj, so Kriyapadam is Vrajanti. Kaha Vrajanti, Balakaha Vrajanti, Balakaha Udyanam Vrajanti, Kimartam Pushpaya. So Pushpaya Udyanam Vrajanti. So Ekavachanam Lat would be Balakaha Pushpaya Udyanam Vrajati. Dvivachanam would be Balakau Pushpaya Udyanam Vrajataha. What is the next one?
Udyalayam Vrajataha Balakau. Yeah, probably. Hello.
Okay. Yeah, G, can you go to the word file? Like, what is the next sentence?
Yeah, but what is the Dvivachanam for this in here?
Balakau Pushpaya Udyanam Vrajataha.
Okay. In Bhagavachanam.
Balakaha Pushpaya Udyanam Vrajanti. Lat. Lang would be Lang ek. Okay, Lat Shatru. Lat Shatru. So Vraj Dhatu Shatru Pratipadikam would be Vrajat. So Vrajat. So the Bahuvachanam form would be Vrajantaha. So Vrajantaha Balakaha. Vrajantaha Balakaha Udyanam Pushpaya Udyanam.
Udyanam. Vrajantaha Balakaha
Udyanam
Asti.
Udyanam Asti. Okay.
See, Vrajantaha Balakaha
Udyanam.
Udyanam Pushpaya Udyanam Vrajantaha Balakaha Santi. Okay, Bhagavachanam Santi. Okay, you know. The sentence, you have to remember, I cannot share both the files simultaneously. So you have to, it is in Bahuvachanam, right?
Yeah. So
So,
Santi.
Santi.
Lat Karmani would be Ekavachanam would be Balakaha Pushpaya. Sorry, not Balaka. Lat Karmani. Balakena Pushpaya Udyayanam Vrajyate.
Rajyate. Yes.
Bahuvachanam
Rajyate.
would be Balakaha Pushpaya Udyayanam. Sorry, Balakaihi Pushpaya Udyayanam
Dhyanam.
Vrajyate.
You are doing which one?
Lat Bahuvachanam Karmani.
The Udyanam Rajyate is enough.
Okay. Lat Karmani Shatru.
Pushpaya Udyanam Rajyate. One is enough.
Okay. Lat Karmani Shatru. So, okay, Balak. So, Bahuvachanam form, Ekavachanam. Okay. So, Balakena Pushpaya Udyayanam Shatru Vrajata.
Balakehi.
Vrajata. So, Vrajata
Balakaihi Vrajadbihi.
Yeah, I told Ekavachanam. Yeah, Bahuvachanam would be
Balakaihi Bhuyate. Okay, it's not difficult. You have to start from this Bhuyate, right? That's why I'm starting Kriyapadam, Bhuyate, Budhyanam Bhuyate. Vrajata Balakaihi. Vrajata Balakaihi. Vrajadbihi, not Vrajata, Vrajadbihi.
Vrajadbihi Balakaihi Pushpaya Udyayanam.
Balakaihi. Pushpaya Vrajadbihi Balakaihi Bhuyate.
Bhuyate.
Okay, now 1 minute, just a minute.
Yeah. Now we can change it.
No.
The volume, I think audio must be clear now.
No, Ji.
Just a minute. Is audio clear now?
Yes.
Yes or no?
SG.
Is it clear?
Yes,
Yeah,
SG.
yeah, it's clear.
Okay. For me, it is very feeble. I don't know why. I'm trying to do this. Problem is that
For me, it sounds far away, Shanti.
because you're saying my voice is not clear, so I'm trying to make it. Just a minute. Is it clear now? Yeah. Hello?
Yes, Shanti.
Okay. Yeah.
SG.
Yeah.
I
Krishnanji,
have
1 minute. Krishnanji,
SG.
I need a help. You tell me in my laptop that that internet connection is there in the setting, mobile hotspot. It automatically gets switched off frequently. So I'm not able to connect the other laptop. So how to make it on all the time? Is there any? Because the moment I come to this file class file and start, then that setting, share my internet connection with other devices. It switched off. You know anything? How to?
I need to see that. I don't remember. Don't know offhand.
I will show you the screen. It's on the. You can see mobile hotspot is there. Share my internet
Yes,
connection.
SG.
this gets automatically switched off. That's a problem. I want to keep it on all the time.
Why? Okay.
That's why the other two, I'm trying to connect my audio to other computer. The problem comes. Anyway, if this is switched off, then again I have to connect. It takes time. That's why I kept this. Yeah. Okay, you can let me know if you have solution.
SG.
Yeah, Kameshwarji, please ask your question.
No, here for Karmani Vraj-dhatu, Samprasaranam won't happen.
It's a good question. Yes, that Krishnaji can answer. Actually, Samprasaranam will happen. Sorry. Yeah, okay. Samprasaranam will happen. It will be Vrijyate, not Vrajyate. It will be Vrijyate. Samprasaranam will happen. I also forgot because I'm struggling with the laptop for audio. This one, that one. So that's why I'm asking you to repeat because I'm not paying attention to what you are saying also. This audio goes off and on. Audio is not clear. Big problem. Anyway, so it is Samprasaranam will happen. It's a good point. Yes. You should have said in the beginning itself. Okay. Samprasaranam will happen. It will be Vrijyate. We have seen this. It's not new. Vraji, Vachisrapi Yajadi Nam Kiti. That the Vraj also is there. Becomes Vrij. Vrijyate. Okay.
Yes.
Samprasaranam will happen. Good point. Commissioner, you should have said in the beginning itself.
No, we were discussing about the mic, no audio, and I thought when next is my turn, I can speak. I was doubtful. I was not sure.
Okay. So, the form is given as Vrajyate, but it should be Vrijyate. Samprasaranam must happen. Okay. Let me check that. Let me check again.
It's Yajadinam, that sutra.
Yeah, but I have to check that. I will check and tell you. Okay, it must be Vrijyate. Let me check that. Vrajyate or Vrijyate. Whether it comes in that kana, we have to see. Just a minute. Give me a minute. Let me think. Sorry, the Samprasaranam doesn't happen. Okay. Yeah, sorry. Kameshwari, it doesn't happen. It is Vrajyate.
Okay,
Vrajyate only. Yes.
Okay.
If Samprasaranam happens, what will be the form? Kameshwari, please tell.
I was doubtful that Vakara will become Vu. I was doubtful about that.
Yeah, if Samprasaranam happens, you can tell me what will be the form.
Urjyate.
Oh, that is not a form. It is Vrajyate only. So Samprasaranam doesn't happen.
Okay. Okay, Ji, thank you.
Good question. I mean, you have to confuse like this and then clarify it. Okay. No problem. So you can note this, but this confusion can come because Vakara is a Samprasaranam will happen or not happen. Yes, Krishnaji, please continue. Yeah.
For Refa of Dhatus Grahan Prach only we have in the chart it is given as Grihyate and Prichyate like that. Raj is not mentioned there.
Raj is not mentioned, but I also vaguely remember Rajati somewhere. So I thought Samprasaranam will happen. It doesn't happen.
Okay.
In the list you are talking about, right?
Yeah, in the list Karmani chart there. 11th point is Refa of Dhatus Grahan Prach. Changes to R.
Yeah, so it's correct. I thought Vraj also is there. That is not. Doesn't happen. Vrajyate only. The form is Vrajyate. And Vrajyate, why Vrajyate? Because Vraj plus, if you add the Tumun or Ta Pratyaya. Tumun, okay, not Tumun. Tumun, Ta Pratyaya if you take. What will be the form Vraj plus? It is Vrajitaha. So So it is there is no samprasanam because it is kit. So Vrajitaha or the Shanach form will be Vrajyamanaha. All these are the Shanach form. So no samprasanam happens. Right? Even in young form, Va Vrajyate form is. So there and all it is, it doesn't happen. So therefore, samprasanam doesn't happen. Okay. Anyway, we can just note this. Samprasanam doesn't happen. Anyway, I will check it again. Double check. Tell you tomorrow. But it doesn't happen now. I can take it as samprasanam not bhavati. Okay, continue.
Lang kartri bahuvachanam would be balakaha pushpaya jnanam avrajan.
Avrajan.
Tava to form.
Okay, Avrajan, Avrajat, Avrajatam, Avrajan. Balakaha, Avrajat.
Avrajatam,
Balakaha, Avrajan. Okay.
Tava to form would be Pratipadikam would be
Tavatu form of Vraj Dhatu.
It's a state dhatu, so idagama will come. So Vraj plus idagama, Vraji plus Vrajitavat. Vrajitavat is it the Pratipadikam? Vrajitavat.
Yeah.
So Vrajitavat is Pratipadikam. So tasya bahuvachanam would be Vrajitavantau. Sorry. Vrajitavantaha. So, is it right, Ji?
Yes, correct only. Vrajitavantaha.
So, Vrajitavantaha balakaha pushpaya udyanam.
Pushpaya udyanam balakaha vrajitavantaha. Right?
We were.
Then Tapratya would be.
Tapratya would be saying Pratipadikam would be Vrajitha. So Vrajitam.
Yes, Udyanam Vrajitam.
Udyanam Vrajitam. Balakaihi Pushpaya.
Balakaihi Pushpaya Udyanam Vrajitam. What is the Shatranta you said for this? The Shatranta, this Kartari?
Shatru, I think Pratipadikam is Vrajat. So Vrajantaha.
Vrajantaha Balakaha, I think you said.
Vrajantaha Balakaha.
And Karmani Shatru, you say that Vrajat Bihi Balakaihi. Pushpaya Vrajat Bihi Balakaihi Udyanam Bhuyate.
Yes, Ji.
Okay. Fine. The next sentence.
Here, Vraj Dhatu means Shatvam won't happen.
Huh?
For Tavatu and Ta Pratyaya, Vraj Dhatu means Shatvam won't happen. It won't become Vrash.
Itagama comes, therefore doesn't happen.
Oh, okay. I don't know that. Okay.
I don't know. If Itagama comes, how it will happen?
Yeah. Vraji only it will become. Itagama comes.
Itagama comes, Vraj plus Ta Pratyaya, then Jakara should be followed by Jal immediately. And if Itagama comes, doesn't happen.
Okay, I took it like Srij Dhatu, Vraj Srij and all. Shatvam will happen, no? So I thought it will become Vrishta like that.
No. Yeah.
No.
But Itagama, this is state Dhatu, therefore doesn't happen.
Okay, Ji, thank you. Next is my turn.
I sent a link. I'll go through that. It talks about how to prevent turning off the hotspot.
Okay. Yeah. Yes. Commercial.
Vayam jalaya nadim gachamah. Ekavachanam aham jalaya nadim gachami. Then dvivachanam avam jalaya nadim gachavah. Then shatru. Here I have to ask questions. Gachamah. Kimartam gachamah, ke gachamah, vayam gachamah, kimartam gachamah, jalaya gachamah, kutra gachamah, nadim gachamah. Then shatru will be jalaya. Here it is okay. Jalaya nadim gachantah vayam smaha. Next, karmani will be gamyate will be the dhatu. So asmabhihi jalaya nadi gamyate.
Yes.
Then shatru karmani will. Yes.
What did you say again? Crystal. Jalaya.
Jalaya nadi gamyate.
Yeah,
nadi.
Good. Yeah. Okay.
Ekavachanam. Then shatru karmani will be jalaya gachatbihi asmabhihi nadi bhuyate.
Good. Yeah.
Then lung form ekavachanam aham jalaya nadim agachat. Avam.
Not agam. Agam is not agachat.
Agacham. I am sorry. Agacham. Avam jalaya nadim agachavah. Vayam jalaya nadim agachamah. Then tavatu pratyaya.
No, not agacham.
Agachava. Agachama. Yeah.
Not agachavah.
Yeah, I'm sorry. Agacham, agachava, agachama. Then tavatu is vayam jalaya nadim gatavantah.
Yes.
Then ta pratyaya is
Gatavantah, it depends. When you say vayam, if it is Srilinga, gatavatyah. If it is Pullinga, gatavantah.
Gatavantah, yeah. Gatavati Strilinga means. So mata pratyaya asmabhihi jalaya nadi gata.
Gata.
Strilinga, nadi shabda is Strilinga.
Yes. Vayam jalaya nadim gataha, also you can say that is Tattva.
Okay.
Next one. How much?
Yuyam ashvebhyah tranam yachatha. Here, karmani, sorry, kriya will be, kriyapadam will be yachatha.
What is dhatu?
Dadatu.
Yes, good. Dadatu.
Dadatu. Then ke yachatha, yuyam yachatha. Then kim yachatha, trinam yachatha. Kebhyaha trinam yachatha, ashvebhyaha trinam yachatha. So, ekavachanam will be tvam ashvebhyaha trinam yachatsi. Yachasi. Then dvivachanam will be yuvam ashvebhyaha trinam yachatha.
Yes.
Then kartri shatru will be ekavachanam tvam ashvebhyaha trinam gachat. So sorry, yachat. So dadat I should use. Dadat. Yeah. Dadat asi. Then yuvam.
Dadat asi. Okay, dadat asi. Yes.
Then yuvam ashvebhyaha trinam dadatau sthaha.
Yes.
Then yuyam ashvebhyaha trinam dadataha stha. It is Shatra. Then karmani form, kriya will be diyate karmani.
Yes.
Then so karta will be tvaya ashvebhyah trinam diyate.
Yes.
Then should I do dvivachanam and
Not required. Not required.
sentence on the sentences in bahuvachanam?
Yeah.
So yushma bihi ashvebhyah trinam diyate.
Yes.
Sharanji, may I ask a question? Can we use the edge dhatu also for karmani and say it as ijjate? That's what I found on the list somewhere.
No, there is no ijjat.
So that
Yes.
won't be right.
No.
Okay.
Can keep it as yachat, Sharanji.
Yaj because only
Listen, one person at a time. Okay. Da becomes echati. Yam also
Okay.
becomes echati.
Yeah.
The meaning is different. Yam means to yam niyame. That yame, that meaning is to restrain. So that becomes yamyate. That is different dhatu. Da means to give. Dane. Dane. That becomes diyate, not yamyate. The meaning of the dhatu you have to see. The meaning what is here is give, not to restrain. Not that yama. Right? Yama niyama, that yama. So it is diyate. It's correct only. Right? Yes, very much.
Karmani bahuvachanam is yushma bihi ashvebhyah trinam diyate. Then karmani shatra kriya will be bhuyate. So trinam bhuyate. So here dadat bihi yushma bihi trinam ashvebhyah trinam bhuyate.
Yes.
Then lung forms ekavachanam will be tvam ashvebhyah trinam adadaha is the form. Adadaha.
Okay. Yeah, now, the second kana, that even Latlakara form itself, we should know in lung form. What is the Latlakara form?
Dadati, dadataha. No.
Dadati.
Dadati. Sorry. Yeah. Dadati.
Dadati. Dadataha. Dadati. Dadati. Dadataha. Dadati. Dadasi. Dadataha. Dadata. Then
Dami, dadavaha, dadamaha.
just this dadatu, which is in dane, second, third gana.
Third Ganaji.
Yeah, third gana.
Third. Dattaha is dadasi, dattaha, datta.
Yeah, dadasi, dattaha, datta. Then dadami, dadvaha, the form.
Dadvaha, dadmaha.
Yes. It is Dudanj Dhatu Dane. It is Ubepadi, I think, because the Git letter is Akara, Git letter. One more form is the Datte, Dadate, Dadatte form is that. It is Ubepadi. So, Dadati, Dadataha, Dadati, Dadati, it is there, and this also it is there. One minute. So datte, dadate, dadate. The form is datte, dadate, dadate. Then datse, dadate, dadate. Dade, dadavake, dadamake. The form is
Dadvahe, dadmahe.
dade, dadvake, dade, dadvake, dadvake. Yes. So Atmanipadi has got another form also. Just a minute, I'll show you that. Latlakara form. So this is the one. Dadati, dadata, dadati, dattaha. Dadati, dattaha, dadati. Dadati, dattaha, datta. Dadami, dadvaha, dadvaha. This is Parasmipadi. Atmanipadi would be datte, dadate, dadate. Datse, dadate, Dadadre. Dade, dadvate, dadvate. This is lut form. Now, this lung form would be
Adadat.
yeah, adadat, adattam, adaduhu. Let me type it. Adadat, then adadat, adattam, adaduhu. This is okay. Parasmepadi right now. Then adadaha, adattam, adatta. Then adatam, adad, adadva, adatma. This is difficult to remember the forms. That is why we have used always Kridanta. Atmanipadi form will be adatta. Adatta. Then adadatam. Adatta. Adadatam. Adadatta. Then Madhyama Purusha. Ekavasam will be adattaha. Adadhatam. Adadadvam. Adadadvam. Then the next one will be adadi. Adadvati. Adadvati. Okay. Now, Ramaji, this adadat, adattam,
Adadahu.
adadahu. That is Parasmepadi. Adatta, adadatam, adadata. If you can, we can use both. Right. For the sentence.
Yuyam, okay, Tvam Ashvebhyaha Trinam Adadaha, then Yuvam Ashvebhyaha Trinam Adattam, then Yuyam Ashvebhyaha Trinam Adatta. This is Parasmepadi form.
Yes.
Then Atmanepadi will be Tvam Ashvebhyaha Trinam Adadataha.
Adattaha.
Oh, sorry, Adattaha. Sorry, Adattaha. Then Yuvam Ashvebhyaha Trinam Adadatham. Then Yuyam Ashvebhyaha Trinam Adadadtham.
Adadatham.
Kshamyatamji, here can't we use simply ayachat, ayachatam, like that?
See, that is dadatu will take this form.
Yeah. No, can we use, because the sentence is yachatat, yum ashvebhyaha trinam yachata. So can we use like that, or we can't use? It's wrong to use.
You can use.
Okay.
Can
Okay.
use.
Okay. If we can't.
You can use that form.
Okay, thank you.
You can use ayachat, ayachatam.
Ayachan.
Because this is lang lakara, anyway, this is the da will be replaced by h. It's possible. You can use ayachat, ayachatam. Yes.
Okay, okay, ji.
In Tvam Ayachaha, Yuvam Ayachatam, Yuyam Ayachata.
Yes.
Then
we are using dada, though, that is by this form. If we use the same, it will take the form will take h. That is also correct only. Can use. Yes. See, this Dudanj, Dane, which is the third gana we are talking about. That is Dhatu, Dan, Dhatu is the first gana also. That first gana form will be what you said, Yachati, Yachataha, Yachati. So, Ayachata, Ayachata, Ayachata. So, can take, yes. I don't know why we should take Dada, Dudanj, Dane, not required. In fact, you simply can say Ayachata, Ayachata.
It's okay.
Not required because this Da is replaced by H. That is why we took Dudanj Dhatu. But H itself directly we can use. Because if we take the Dhatu of the first Gana, Dan Dane, then the form will be Ayachat, Ayachata, Ayachan. That will be the form. If we take Dudanj Dane of the third Gana, the form will be Adadat, Adatam, Adatam. Right? Yes.
Sharanji, excuse me, Sharanji, but we do have to use the dhyate in karmani, or is there any other way of
Dhyate
using it?
Dhyate only.
I'm sorry?
It is only Dhyate.
So nothing we can use for like yachasi. There's no form for that.
No,
okay.
no form.
Okay.
Yes. Yes, continue, Ramaj. The next one.
Tavatu form will be Yuyam Ashvebhyaha Pranam. Here I can use Da Dhatu only, right?
Yes.
So Dattavantaha, if it is Strilinga, Dattavatyaha, Advatyaha, sorry, Dattavatyaha.
Yeah.
Then Tapratyaya will be Yuyam Ashvebhyaha Trinam Dattam.
So, Dadatu plus Ta Pratyaya. What is the form you said? Dadatu Ta Pratyaya.
Datta. Dattaha Datta.
Yeah, Dattam, Dattavan, right? Dattavan.
Dattavan.
Yeah, Dattavan. Dattavan or Datta. Bhagavachanam is that Yuyam Dattavantaha or Yuyam Dattavatyaha. Trinam Dattam Ashvebhyaha.
Yes.
Okay, the next one. So you can note this Dhatu, Dan Dhatu, it is in Da Dhatu, the content of the Upadeshika Dhatu. Dudanj Dhatu, Dan Dhatu is Da only. Da Dhatu in the first Gana, it will become Yach when it is followed by Shit Pratyaya, that is number one. And if you take it to be a Jugotya Gana, third Gana, then the form will be like this, what we saw just now.
Okay.
Duplication happens. The next person. Who is the next person?
I am the next person.
Yeah, please do.
So Vayam Jnanaya Patamaha. So Patamaha is the Kriyapadam. So Ke Patamaha, Vayam Patamaha. And Vayam Kimartam Patamaha, Vayam Jnanaya Patamaha.
Yes, Jnanaya Kimartam or Jnanartam, because you ask Kimartam. Jnanartam also you can say. Jnanaya is equal to Jnanartam.
Jnanartam also.
Yeah.
Then
Ekavachanam
Patami. So Aham Jnanaya Patami. And Dvivachanam Avam Jnanaya Patavaha.
Yes.
Then next is Shatra. Here Pat Dhatu. So Patat becomes the Pratipadikam. And Pullinga Bahuvachanam will be Pullinga. If it is Pullinga, it's Patavantaha.
Patantaha. No, not Patavantaha.
Sorry, Patantaha.
Yes.
Patantaha, or if it is Strilinga, it is Patavantyaha.
No, not Ba. Patantyaha. Patanti is a Pratipadikam. Patanti is a Pratipadikam.
Patantyaha, sorry. So it is.
Therefore, sentence would be.
So Aham Jnanaya Patantaha Smaha. Vayam Smaha.
Vayam Smaha.
Vayam Smaha.
Jnanaya Patantaha. Okay.
Patantaha Vayam Smaha.
Okay. Strilinga it would be Pat.
So
Strilinga
is it Patantyaha Vayam Smaha.
Okay.
Then fifth one is Karmani. So Pat becomes Patyate. So Asma Bihi Jnanaya Patyate.
Bhave
Prayoge. No karma. Then if you take chatra here, so it becomes patadbihi asmabihi bhuyate.
Very good.
So
Yeah.
jnanaya patadbihi asmabihi bhuyate.
Yes.
And next is lang. So apattam. So aham apattam. Aham jnanaya apatam. Avam jnanaya apatavaha. Apatava.
Patava. Okay.
Apatava. And vayam jnanaya apatama. Then tavatu patita. So bahuvachanam patitavantaha. So vayam jnanaya patitavantaha.
Okay.
Or if it is strilinga, it is patitavantyaha.
Good. Yes.
G, here it is bhave prayoga, right? Vayam
Yeah,
jnanaya.
then it becomes patitam, that is in ta pratyaya.
No, it is a ta pratyaya is using kartari only. Then when you do only ta pratyaya, then only bhav come. Yes, not yet done.
Not yet.
Yeah, please do.
So ta pratyaya is asmabihi. Then jnanaya, here it is napumsakalinga because bhave prayoga, then it becomes patitam.
Yes. Good. So jnanaya asmabihi patitam. Asmabihi jnanaya patitam.
Patitam.
Now here we know this patadatu, patati, patataha, we know. What will be the future tense of pat? Rit lakare.
Future trends.
Patishyati.
Patishyati.
Sya comes. Sya is the pratyaya.
Patisyati.
For all the dhatu, irrespective of the gana, sya will come. That is why this is not a gana vikarna. This is not a gana vikarna. Sya is ardhatuka pratyaya, being with val, valadi. Sakara is val letter. Therefore, itagama will come. And because itagama comes, and sya is sakara is apadanta sakara belonging to the pratyaya sakara preceded by him. Therefore, shattam also will happen. So it just becomes ishya. So therefore, form would be patishyat, patishyati, and shatranta would be patishyan. Patishyat pratipadikam, the patisyan, patishyantau, patishyantaha. Okay. Then
Patishyavantaha.
Patisyan, but not patisyavanta. Va will not come. Remember, va is only for ta tavatu. Okay. Tavatu only, not ta. Patisyan,
Patishanta.
Patisyan, patishyanto, patishyantaha.
Patishyantaha.
That is va is only for ta pratyaya. Tavatu, the pratyaya itself, ta va is va. Here only patishyat, patishyanto, patishyantaha. If it is strilinga, in strilinga the form would be. What will the form in strilinga? Becomes
Patishyantyaha.
okay. I have to tell the pratipadikam. Let me tell the pratipadikam. Pratipadikam is patishyanti is a pratipadikam. Patishyanti. Numahama will come. So it becomes patishyanti. Then patish. Patisyan. Tyo.
Patishyantiyaha.
Tyaha. This is strilinga. Napumsakalinga it would be
Patishyati.
Patishyat.
Patishyanti.
Yeah. Patishyanti.
Patishyanti.
You can note this. This is for the this is shatranta. This is lang lakara, patishyati, patishyataha, patishyanti. Sorry, lat lakara. Sorry, this is lit lakara. The form is patishyati. Patishyati is lit form. Okay. Future tense. Lit lakara. Future tense. Patishyati, patishyataha, patishyanti. So its shatranta form is patishyan, patishyanto, patishyantaha. Future participle. Patishan, patishanto, patishantaha, patishanti, patishantyo, patishantyaha, then patishat, patishanti, patishanti. Similarly, for the other gana, it will the same thing as we saw in the 1, 4, 6, 10. For Pullinga, it will take Nundakama. For the other gana, it will not take Nundakama. For Srilinga, it will be optionally will be for 6th gana. So those things apply as it is.
For Strilinga.
Yes. For Napumsakalinga also, those things apply. When Nugamahama comes, for which gana it will not come. And the 7 dhatus or the second gana, the third gana will not come. Those things apply. So this is Rit. For Rit Lakara also we can use Kshatranta. So we can add this also slowly. Vayam Jnanaya Patishyamaha. Right?
Yes.
Vayam Jnanaya Patishyamaha. Patishyantaha Vayam Jnanaya. We will be reading. We will be studying for Jnanam. That is the meaning. We will be studying for Jnanam. Patishyata asmabhihi jnanaya bhuyate. All these things are possible. Okay. Anyway, let's show you. Next person, next sentence.
Janaha dhanaya sorry. Janaha dhanaya deshantaram gachanti. So gachanti is the Kriya Padam. Ke gachanti, janaha gachanti. Kimartham gachanti, dhanaya gachanti. Deshantaram. That is putra gachanti. Putra gachanti, deshantaram.
Deshantaram is also the destination. Therefore, putra gachanti only.
Okay.
It is Dvitiya deshantaram.
Okay. So this will be Ekavachanam. It will be Janaha Dhanaya Deshantaram Gachati. Then Dvivachanam, it will be Janau Dhanaya Deshantaram Gachataha. Bahuvachanam is that. Then Shatranta will be for Bahuvachanam or all the three?
That is Shatri Ekavachanam. The same format is followed.
Ekavachanam will be, yeah, okay. Dhanaya.
Jana, okay.
Yeah, Dhanaya Gachan Janaha Deshantaram Asti.
Okay, Gachan you are using Ekavachanam. Okay.
Yeah.
In the lesson, I think Bhagavachanam is there.
Okay, then it will be Dhanaya Gachantaha Janaha Deshantaram Santi.
Yes.
Then Karmani will be Janaihi Dhanaya Deshantaram Gamyate.
Deshantaram Gamyate Janaihi Dhanaya. Okay.
And then Shatru Karmani will be Dhanaya. It will be Janaihi. So it will be Gachat Bihi Janaihi Deshantaram Bhuyate.
Okay.
Yes, Sharanji?
Yes. Then
yeah. Then Lang will be for Ekavachanam, it will be Janaha Dhanaya Deshantaram Agachat. For Dvivachanam, it will be Janaihi Dhanaya Deshantaram Gachatam.
Why Janaihi? Janaha.
Janaihi. Janau, I'm sorry, I should say Janau. Janau Dhanaya Deshantaram Gachatah. Then for, I'm sorry, it is Lang, so it is Agachatam.
Agachatam, okay.
Then for Bahuvachanam, it will be Janaha Dhanaya Deshantaram Agachan.
Agachan.
Yeah, that's what I said, Agachan. Okay. And then
I'm hearing Agachat, not Agachat, Agachan. Akara.
Yeah, that's what I said, Agachan.
Okay.
Probably my pronunciation I need to rectify. The next one is Tavatu to be Janaha Dhanaya Deshantram Gatavantaha. Since I'm using the Kartri form, if it is Karmani, to be Janaihi Dhanaya Deshantram Gatam.
Yes, Deshantaram Gatam. Janaha Gataha also you can say.
Gataha. Okay.
Jana Kartari. Janaha Gataha. Deshantaram Gataha Dhanaya. Okay, the next one, next person, last person.
Balaha Vidyayai Dhanam Yachanti.
Yes.
Kriyapadam Daneji, Bhavaji Kana.
Yeah, Dan Dhatu. Okay.
So that like Bahuvachanam is Yachanti.
Because he is giving Yachanti, therefore it is first kana. Suppose it has given Dadati, then we know it is Yugodhyati. Right? Yachanti is given, therefore first kana. Therefore you can use that form.
So Kaha Yachanti, Balaha Yachanti, Balaha Dhanam Yachanti. Kimartham? So Balaha Vidyayai Dhanam.
Balaha, okay, please.
Dhanam Yachanti.
This one information, this since I just told Patishyati, writ Lakara. So this Yachanti, this Dan Dhatu, which is the first kana, is future tense would be Dasyati. Because it is Ardhadhataka Pratyaya, Sya Pratyaya. So future tense is not Yamsyati and it is Dasyati. The form will be Dasyati, Dasyataha, Dasyanti. Dasyasi, Dasyataha, Dasyata. Dasyami, Dasyavaha, Dasyamaha. So that Da will be, that is this in the first kana, the Da is Dhatu, the Da will be retained. Only when a Shit Pratyaya follows. That is the Pratyaya beginning with Shit follows. Sorry, when the Pratyaya, it's a Shit Pratyaya follows. Shiti Pratyaya Pare. Then only Da will become H. When a Shiti Pratyaya follows. Okay. So that condition is there. So therefore, Da plus Shab plus Tip become Da become H. So Yachati, Yachtaha, Yachati. In Karmani, it will become Da plus Yat plus Te. So Da will become not H. Diyati. Da becomes Diyati. Right? Okay. In Shatranta, it would be, the form would be?
Pratipadam would be Yachat.
So therefore?
Yachan, Yachantau, Yachantaha.
It will be Yachan, Yachantau, Yachantaha.
Yachantaha, Balaha.
Yes. So if it is future tense, because just now we saw petition. So if it is future tense, it would be
Das.
Very good. Yes, you're right.
Dasyan.
Yeah, Dasyan, Dasyanto, Dasyantaha. There it be Da. Only when a Shit Pratyaya follows, Da becomes H. In the Shatranta and all, the Shatra Pratyaya, when you add Shatra, it is like the Latlakara only, right? Shap will come. So therefore, Da becomes Echati, Echan, Echanto, Echanta. Future tense, Dasyan, Dasyanto, Dasyanta. Small photo. Okay. And Da, okay, Dan Dhatu, Da plus Ta Pratyaya.
Da plus Ta Pratyaya.
Vista, I think Ramaji read before.
Dataha.
Not Data, Dattaha. Okay.
Dattaha.
Da plus Ta, the Akara becomes Lopa. Dattaha. Then same thing, Tavatu, Dattavan. Okay. So now we can do other Vakyas. Bala, you can remember the Vakyam, please. Huh?
Yes,
Balaha Vidyai Dhanam Yachanti. Now, you can do Shatru Ekavachan. Let Shatru Ekavachan.
So let Shatru Ekavachan is Balaha Vidyayai Dhanam.
The sentence it is Balaha is that. Okay. The sentence Balaha Bahuvachanam.
So Bahuvachanam would be Yachantaha Balaha Vidyayai Dhanam
Santi.
Santi.
Santi Bahuvachanam, right?
Santi.
And Balaha here, we don't know whether it's Srilinga or Pullinga. But when you do the Karmani or this, I think it doesn't matter. Yeah. When you do Karmani, it matters. Okay, we'll see that. Yes. Next one, Karmani, that it to say whether it is.
So Lat Karmani Bahuvachanam. Lat Karmani Bahuvachanam. So Diyate. So Dhanam Diyate.
You start like that. Diyate. Kim
Diyate.
Kim Diyate. Yeah.
Dhanam Diyate. Dhanam Diyate.
Yes.
Kimartam Vidyayai Dhanam Diyate. Kaihi Balaihi Vidyayai Dhanam Diyate.
Or if it is Srilinga, it becomes Kabihi, Balabihi. We don't know whether Srilinga or Pullinga because form is same. Right? So Kabihi, Balabihi. The next one.
Lat Karmani Shatru Bahuvachanam. So Yachantaha Balaha Vidyayai.
You are doing Karmani. Okay. Bhuyate. Dhanam Bhuyate.
Dhanam Bhuyate. So Dhanam Bhuyate. Dhanam Bhuyate. Vidyayai Dhanam Bhuyate. So Balaihi. No.
Yeah, Balaihi correct.
Yachatbihi Balaihi Vidyayai Dhanam Bhuyate.
If it is Srilinga?
Srilinga Yachatbihi Balabihi.
No, it can't be Yachatbihi, right? Pratipadikam will be different.
Oh, yeah. Yachantibihi Balabihi Vidyayai Dhanam Bhuyate.
Then
Lang Kartri Bahuvachanam.
Okay, Krishnanji, tell me whether I can, how to share both the files. Because you have to remember the sentence or you have to write the sentence to follow this format. Is it possible to share both the screens? I don't know how to do it. So that one by one on the side it can be.
Is it the same laptop or a different laptop?
No, same laptop. For you, because you have to remember the sentence. Sometimes it becomes difficult. Cannot see. I mean, if you see both screens, it'll be easy. Sometimes you may not remember the sentence. I don't know. Anyway, just think.
Yes. Yeah. Okay. Lang Bahuvachanam. Kriyapadam is Ayachan. So Ayachan, Dhanam Ayachan. So Balaha Dhanam Ayachan. Balaha Vidyayai Dhanam Ayachan.
Yes.
Lang Kartri. So Lang Kartri.
Ekavachanam you have done. Then Dvivachanam you do.
Oh, Ekavachanam would be Balaha Dhanam Balaha Vidyayai Dhanam Ayachat. Balau Vidyayai Dhanam Ayachatam.
Yes. Yeah, okay. Fine. All the Vachanam you have done. Yes.
Pratipadikam would be.
Start from the Kriyapadam. Da to
Da plus Tavat.
Yeah. Already we said, no? Dattavan.
Dattavan.
Dattavanto, Dattavantaha.
So Dattavantaha.
Ke Dattavantaha.
Balaha Dattavantaha. Okay.
Kim Dattavantaha.
Dhanam Dattavantaha. बालाः विद्यायै धनं दत्तवन्तः.
Yes. Now, karmani would be ta pratyaya. Dattam. Remember dattam. Kim dattam?
Kim dattam, dhanam dattam.
Kabihi or kaihi?
Kaihi. So, balaihi dhanam dattam. Kimartam balaihi vidyayai dhanam dattam.
Yes.
The Srilingam means balabihi vidyayai dhanam
Dattam. Yes.
dattam.
The next one, next person. Prashnaha. Who is the next person?
Kameshwari ji.
Kameshwari, you have to read. The mic is in mute. Okay. Next person can read the mic. Activated.
Denavah kebhyah kshiram vitaranti. Ekavachanam latlakara will be Denuhu kebhyah kshiram.
Can make it to karmani. That's enough.
Okay. Denubihi kebhyah kshiram vitiryate is the kriyapadam. So kshiram vitiryate. Denubihi kebhyah kshiram vitiryate.
What will the answer?
Then vatsebhyah. Denubihi vatsebhyah kshiram vitiryate. Then Karmani Shatru Sharanji?
Not required. You can do the next one. Yes.
Okay. Vyagraha kimartham paribramati. Vyagraha aharaya paribramati. So here Karmani will be Brahmyate.
Paribramya. Yeah. Yes. Right.
So paribramyate is the Karmani Kriyapadam.
Paribramyate. Because Brahmati is given. Brahmati is the first gana. So Karmani would be Brahmyate.
Brahmyate. Okay.
Fourth gana is Brahmyate. So Brahmyate will be Karmani. And the first gana, remember these two forms, Brahmyati, Brahmati. Both are first gana. The form of the Brahm Dhatu. I'm saying it Latlakara, Brahmati, Brahmyati. Right? And for the Chaturtha gana, it is Brahmyati. So here Paribramati is given, therefore Paribramyate is also.
Okay. So Vyagrena kimartham paribramyate.
Answer would be
Vyagrena aharaya paribramyate. Paribramyate.
Okay.
Then balakaha kimartham pathalayam gachanti. So gamyate is kriyapadam for karmani. So Pathalayah gamyate. So balakaihi kimartham pathalayah gamyate. Answer will be balakaha adhyayanaya pathalayah gamyate. Balakaihi. Balakaihi adhyayanaya pathalayah gamyate.
Yes. The next one also.
Okay. Balikaha kimartham udyanam vrajanti. Vrajyate is karmani kriyapadam. Udyanam vrajyate. So balika bihi kimartham udyanam vrajyate. Balika bihi pushpaya udyanam vrajyate.
Next person, Kameshwari. 5 to 9.
Sorry, Ji, my connection got disconnected. I don't know why.
Okay.
All of a sudden. Okay. Yuyam kimartam nadim gachata. So we have to change into karmani.
Yes.
Gachata gamya nadi gamyate. So Yushma bihi युष्माभिः किमर्थं नदी गम्यते?
Yes.
जलाय. So युष्माभिः जलाय नदी गम्यते. Next, वयं केभ्यः तृणं यच्छामः? दीयते. So तृणं दीयते. So वयम् अस्माभिः केभ्यः तृणं दीयते? अस्माभिः अश्वेभ्यः तृणं दीयते. यूयं किमर्थं पठत? So पठ्यते. युष्माभिः किमर्थं पठ्यते? युष्माभिः ज्ञानाय पठ्यते. जनाः किमर्थं कुत्र गच्छन्ति? This is गम्यते. जनैः. So जनैः किमर्थं कुत्र गम्यते? जनाः जनैः I'm sorry, जनैः देशान्तरं धनाय. किमर्थं is धनाय कुत्र देशान्तरं गम्यते? विद्यायै के किं यच्छन्ति? So दीयते. विद्याभिः के किं दीयते?
Why विद्याभिः?
Yeah, it's wrong. Vidyayai only. So K will become
Vidyayai sampradana.
I'm sorry. Yeah, Vidyayai only. Kim will be the same. Kim K Khan. So Kim only. K will become Kebhyah. Or K.
Vidyayai K is kartari.
Kaya.
Listen. Vidyayai K is karta, Kim is karma. So K to be converted to Tritiya, Kim to be to Prathama. K Kim, it tells you what Vachanam is. Can do according. Yes.
Yeah. Vidyayai.
My sister. Vidyayai Kaihi.
Vidyayai Kaihi. Kim or
Vidyayai.
Kim only Dhanam, so Kim Diyate.
If it is Srilinga, it's of Kaihi Kadi. Vidyayai Kadihi Kim.
Kabihi.
Next person. Ganesh.
Yes, sir. So Chaturthanda Padaihi Vyakyani Purayata. So Aham Dhenu. So Dhenu Chaturthi Vibhakti Dhen Vaha.
Aham. Can be Dhen Vaha.
Dhenu
Chaturthyantehi. Dhenu Shabda.
Dhenu Shabda Dhen Va. Dhen Va, Dhenu Bhyam, Dhenu Bhi.
Dhen Va is Tritiya.
So Dhen Vai.
Dhen Vai.
Dhen Vai, Dhenu Bhyam, Dhenu Bhyam. So Dhen Vai.
Dhen Vai, Dhenave, Dhenu Bhyam, Dhenu Bhyam. Two forms will be there.
Dhenave also, yes. Dhen Vai, Dhenave. So Aham Dhen Vai Tranam Echami.
Okay.
Then Nirpaha Kavi. So Kavi will become like Hari Shabda. So Kavaye.
Yes.
Nirpaha Kavaye Dhanam Yachanti. So Yoyam Jnana. So it must be Jnanam. Napumsakalinga. So Jnanaya. You've seen that earlier. You've seen that earlier. Yoyam Jnanaya Grantham Patata.
Granthan Patata.
Grantham Patata. Granthan Patata.
Next person, the last one.
Lat or lang, Sharji? Lat.
It is lat, yeah.
Lat Rupaihi Vakyani Purayata. Chatraha Sayam Arogyaya Kridanti.
Convert this into Karmani. Chatraha Sayam Arogyaya Kridanti.
Chatraihi Sayam Arogyaya.
Even karmani also you can start with kriya padam. I don't know why.
Yeah, I know.
The sentence you have to see whether karma is not there. Karma is not there, then make it kridyate. Simple. Then bring in other words, other karakas.
Okay. So it will be kridyate, it will be kriyapadam. Kaihi kridyate, it will be chatraihi sayam arogyaya kridyate.
Yes. The next
one. Balau hastabhyam pustakani anayatah. This will be for the balabhyam astabhyam pustakani.
You're not starting from kriya padam here also.
Yeah, I know. What is the?
See, anai is there. So first you have to see whether karma is there the sentence. Find out whether it is karmani prayoga or bhavya prayoga. We are starting with the first sentence. It's okay, but sometimes it may create problem. You have to see what is the karma in the sentence. Karma is not there, then it is bhavya. Then you see the kriya padam. What is kriya padam? Ni dhatu with a upasarga. Ani yate or aniyante. Karma bhagavachanam is there. Therefore, aniyante. Right? Kani aniyante, pustakani
aniyante.
Then you have to say, right? Balo is there. Balabhya.
So, balabhya, astabhya, pustakani aniyante.
Aniyante. Pustakani bhagavachanam aniyante.
Yeah, aniyante. Okay. Then pashya. So this will be for a simple latlakara, it will be pashyanti. Vayam netrabhyam vastuni pashyanti.
Yes.
For karmani, it will be.
See the karma.
Yeah. Vastu.
Sorry.
Is vayam pashyamah.
Oh, yeah, I'm sorry. Pashyamaha.
Vayam pashyamaha. Yes.
No, I said pashyanti, I said pashyamaha.
Okay.
Yeah. So, vastuni pashyamaha. So, it will be for the karmani, it will be.
It's lot, right? The pashya is lot, so it should be pashyama.
No, it is that.
No, it is.
Okay.
He's giving the dhatu, asking you to write the let form. Here also, you see, obviously, start with the kriya padam. Vayam is there, pashya is there, pashyanti. Ke pashyanti, sorry, ke pashyanti will not come. First you say ke pashyanti, then when it comes vayam, then you have to change pashyamaha.
Okay.
Because we are not doing the starting the kriya, that's why the problem is. Start with the kriya padam. Then karmani or karta. Pashyanti will ask ke pashyanti. Vayam pashyanti, when you say that, you will hear the mistake. Vayam pashyanti is wrong. Vayam pashyamaha, immediately will change. Vayam pashyamaha. Now, vayam kani pashyamaha. Vastuni pashyamaha. Vastuni is the object. Okay.
Yeah. So, then, for karmani, it will become, pashya will become ikshya because it's.
No, why ikshya? What is dhatu? What is it? What is the dhatu of? What is the original dhatu? Drish dhatu.
Drish dhatu. Yeah. So drish dhatu will be.
Drishyate. Simple.
Drishyate. Okay. Drish dhatu. I thought I was looking at ikshyate. I was thinking about that. Okay. Drish dhatu to be drishyate. Vastuni drishyante.
Very good. Yes.
Yeah. So vayam will become asmabihi, yushmabihi. Yushmabihi.
Why asmabihi only? Okay.
Okay. Asmabihi netrabhyam vastuni drishyante.
Somebody is beating heavily on your side.
No, they are in the neighbor's house. They are washing the clothes.
So with this discussion is done. Ashtama Pataha, we have to do that in the next class. Om Purnamada Purnamidam Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadhaya नमेवावशिष्यते। ओम शांति शांति शांतिः। हरिः ओम श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। हरिः ओम।
G, one doubt.
Yes.
What Kameshwari asked, like for the vrach dhatu, for the ta pratyaya and tavatu, why shatvam doesn't happen?
Itagama, you only said Bajitaha. So your dhatu. Itagama is all kind of vraj plus ta pratyaya. Right?
Oh, okay.
Chakara must be followed by jal letter immediately. If Itagama intervenes, then how it will happen?
Oh, the jal, okay, well, okay.
Jali pratyaya pare, right?
Yeah, okay, okay.
The jal follows. When we say follows, there should not be any vyavadana. Follows or precedes. When we say there should not be vyavadanam. Vyavadanam means space, in terms of space or in terms of intervention of any letter. It cannot happen. When Itagama comes, it is no more jali, it is achipad. Right?
Okay, okay.
Yes.
Thanks.
Sharanji, I have one question, if I may.
Yes.
This is not what we did today, but I was looking up pach dhatu to make up a sentence. And then the tavatu form would be pakvavan or pachitavan. Which one would be correct? And
Yeah,
I have seen.
We have seen this, I think, before also. Pach will becomes pakva only, not pachita. So wrong.
Pachita would be wrong. Pakvavan would be correct. Okay.
Pakva. Pach plus ta will become pakta. So paktavan or paktam. Paktam is ta pratyaya karmani bhute. Paktavan kartari bhute. So pachakaha paktavan. That's the correct one.
Okay. Okay.
Pachakena paktam. Sorry, pakvam, not paktam. Pakvam. Okay. I myself said it wrongly. I said pachakaha pakvavan. Okay, not pak. Okay, you can please change that. Okay.
Okay.
Pachakaha pakvavan.
Okay.
Pachakena pakvam. Okay.
Okay. Thank
You asked me whether it is it's a pakta. It's pakva. It must be pakva.
Pakvavan.
Yes. Pach plus ta pratyaya becomes pakva. So pakvavan, pakvavanto, pakvavantaha. If it is ta pratyaya, then it is pakvam, pakve, pakvani or pakvaha, pakvo, pakvaha, any gender. Okay. So pach plus ta pratyaya is pakva. Pachoho, vaha. What sutra is that? Like that? Pachoho, vaha. By that, what happens? Pakva. Choho puga apply, chakara becoming kakara, and ta being replaced by takara replaced by vakara. Therefore, pakva you get. Similarly, shush also is all connected. I mean, that comes one after the other. The sutra pata. Shush dhatu, shush plus ta pratyaya becomes shushka, not shuk, not it is shukta and all. It becomes shuk, shushka. It becomes shushka. Shush plus ta pratyaya becomes shushka. Shushka tarka we say.
Okay.
Dry. Shushka. So that takara becoming kakara. Shushka. So these two you can remember. Pakva and shushka.
Okay. Thank you.
But we say as paktavan only, no? Or pakvavan.
Not paktavan. That's what I said, no? I said by mistake because that then I may correct it. Pakvavan it must be.
Pakvavan. Okay.
When I looked on the Sanskrit dictionary, they had mostly pakvavan, but they had one listing or pachitavan. That's kind of threw me off too, why.
I don't think so. Pachitavan, Itagama doesn't come there. So it becomes.
So
pakvavan.
that's wrong. That's probably wrong then. That's okay. Pakvavan, we'll remember that. Thank you.
Pakvavan and Shushka. That also is wrong.
Okay.
Dhanyawad ji.
Dhanyawad.
Dhanyawad.
Dhanyawad, Sharanji.